Ladies and gentlemen, this is my friend Cooper. This is his Coyote F150, and today we're going to be putting in a front mount ram air intake, right? We're just going to go. Show us how it works, Cooper.
First, this goes on the throttle body, and then this connects to this, and the air actually, where this thing goes, where we're getting the best air. The best air you can get is outside the car most of the time. It's gonna be peeking out right there, not outside of the bumper, but in there. There's a little in air.
Right in there.
And you guys might be like, yo, what happens if rain happens? I got a hydrophobic filter and a little license plate cover that could go over it, but if it's a little crazy out, we put this cone on here, this guy right here, and we put it on the throttle body, and we just put it right like that. So then I just got a hot air intake, but I'm not worried about performance when it's that bad out.
But then it's not getting all wet.
It's not terrible, you know? So I took off these little push pins, I unbolted this, and I just basically pulled this up. So now this is all loose, so it's almost ready to come out. Wow.
It opens it up a little bit.
Yeah. Oh.
Hey.
Here she is.
Piece 2 out. Alright, now all the old stuff is all taken out, so we can start putting the new stuff back in.
That's gonna look crazy.
It kind of fits a little weird. There's
That's gonna be what it's like when it's raining. It's insane. It's kind of funny.
There's so much more room.
Yeah. All the freaking.
So this piece is gonna go on the throttle body and then just go down to little opening in there. Well, not just that piece, but both pieces. But it doesn't fit perfectly because there's stuff in the way. But
we gotta figure that out.
We'll get there.
I mean, know it works. So this is the first bit that goes in. I just want to put it in like this because everything's a little loose. I don't want to tighten it all down before we don't get it perfect, you know? And I'm putting this in first because the whole thing can't just fit in by itself.
And she goes. Alright, we're making some progress here. We got it kind of attached there. And it is
Everything's kind of attached.
Yeah, everything just roughly in place. It doesn't sit straight on, because up here, where it attaches to the throttle body, there's like a coolant line, I think. Coolant hose that goes right under there. It can't go straight down there, but I don't know. It's not awful. Yeah, it doesn't look bad at all. After much trial, finally we got this one on-ish. Everything else is pretty much connected, or so we think. And it's right down there in the front. There's a little cover on it right there. We're gonna try first start. Are we ready? Forgot to show earlier, there's this little block off there, and then the breather on there. Did not film any of that. That sounds kind of cool.
Does it?
Yeah.
You want to continue?
Yeah. Right here. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah. Do it. Go.
Alright, you did it wrong.
I thought it was recording, but it wasn't. Anyway, we're on a test drive right now. Might feel a little bit different.
I don't know.
You can't hear it a whole lot from in here.
Hopefully I'm not running open
She's still there. It looks good. It moves around a lot.
I moved around. Yeah, like I'm moving this and it won't move like how it did. Also, there's that, which is injectors, but
That's injectors. Hello?
that's on there. Oh, that's funny,
I
bro.
love that.
That's actually so sick. It looks good too. I mean,
It does.
Yeah.
It's on there, I mean. For now.
For now.
Alright, we just got back from our first little test drive with it. Everything stayed on where it should be. It sounds really cool. And this is the light rain mode. There's a little hydrophobic filter on there. You cannot see anything. But that with the plate cover right in front of it, blocking probably most of the rain. We're supposed to get a little rain tonight yet, and then this next week. So Cooper was thinking to run it with just this, and then could put it into full rain mode by moving the filter up like we were showing earlier. But anyway, that's there for now. We're making it all fit together more better, but we're also about out of time, so it'll be better. Don't worry about it. If it's on.
Leave this open because it's not fully in there.
It works. Can confirm.
It actually fits a lot better in there. Like this is like already a little better.
Yeah. Yeah, he shaved some of the. What does it actually? Where did you
It's
shave
just
it
a
down?
connector for a hose. I shaved it off with a
Sick.
Dremel. There's something in my hair.
So now it fits a little bit better. Anyway, we're all good. That's the end of this video. If you want to see more from this channel, click up on the screen, and I will see you over there.